Birdhouse, they said, fell out of a tree. He claims they've been here 9 years in this birdhouse. So I'm about to figure out how to put a screen over that entrance and get out of here. Probably won't be filming that part of it. So I just brought these home, and you can see how I had to put the screen on the front of that whole face that was ripped off when it fell out of the tree. And that was kind of a scary task, because they actually stayed docile while I put the screen on, because it had been raining all day, thank God. You know, when I showed up at this place, I was under the impression it was going to be a small opening in the front, like a regular birdhouse. I didn't know the whole front was going to be ripped off. So I'll probably cut these out and put them in this hive tomorrow, and let them have a decent home for a while until they outgrow that. Here they are this morning. I cut a little hole open in the screen so they can get out and about. And obviously it's going to be a very small colony. Who knows if they're even viable. I mean, when this thing fell out of the tree, the queen could have died, or who knows. The guy even drug it on the ground from where it fell off out of the tree. He drug it to see if they would even die. I don't know what his reasoning was with that, but... So, let's see what's going on. I'll try to cut out this little bit of comb they have and put them in one of these new hives below it. Because tonight it's going to get a little bit cold, and they don't need that open front, that's for sure. Hopefully you can get a view of what it looks like inside there. See if I can start cutting it from the entrance. Why not? Instead of just trying to saw it open. Try to cut all that comb out from the front without sawing it open. We'll see. Looks like all this is nectar on this one and nothing on his side. They may not even have a queen anymore. We'll see. pretty old comb. They claim it's over 9 years old, this hive, so it's harder to cut and harder to stab. No sign of Miss Queen yet. I'm actually going to shake the rest of these in here. Try to get to cut out their comb afterwards. About to spray some Be Quick in here, because I think the queen's probably hiding up there where all those are clustering. I saw her earlier, but I haven't seen her since. There's so many crevices in here, and it's, you know, you can't just start cutting this whole thing open because you'll hurt the queen. So I got to be careful. I got plenty of time. So anyway, I've been looking for her for a while, you know, trying to take the high road, but now I'm going to take a little bit of the low road with the Be Quick and run them out of here. We'll see what happens. And I'm going to run, what I'm trying to do is run them onto my hive. Look at all those bees in there running after. Watch this. I know the queen's in there. Now here they go. Watch, they're going to start running back out. Now let's see if we see the queen in here anywhere, and I'll have my queen clip ready. May not even need the queen clip, she may just run in the hive. I caught the queen. I had to use the Be Quick to run her out of that house, or all the bees, and then she finally came out of the top. She was in there hiding. Oh, what a beautiful sight. So I went ahead and let her out of the cage because she wasn't running around in there like she was real healthy. She may have been either demoralized or slightly injured or whatever. I don't know, but I let her out, and I'm going to let them kind of escort her into the hive, because I don't think she's going to run off by any means. She just looked kind of lackadaisical, so I didn't want to leave her in the cage for a day or two or whatever. I don't think they're going anywhere, and she's not going anywhere. So hopefully they can breathe some life back into her, and she can recover. Yeah, it was almost like she looked sad, like she just wanted to die when she was trapped in there. But I think she's responding a little better now. Let's see if they take her in the hive with them. Reunited, and it feels so good. I guess if I post this video online, Peaches and Herb's going to try to sue me, but I'll worry about that, cross that bridge when I come to it. Alright, she doesn't want to go in the hive, but looks like they're trying to drag her in there. Come on, Queenie, what you gonna do? She seems to be responding okay. I don't think she's really injured or anything like that. She may have just been dazed or, like I said, demoralized. Oh well, I'm just going to assume she's going to go in. I may coax them in a little bit, but I'm going to put this camera down for now. Here's their final home. I got them out of the birdhouse, and now they're in this. I think they're pretty happy about it. Queen finally went in, and she was probably just a little bit shaken up. She'll snap out of it.